Welcome to guys how to install Chrome browser in the Windows 11. So here to icon is the Microsoft Edge to click to launch. Then here type to Google and click to Google and type to Chrome download and, this first link showing the click, then click to download button. Now click download Chrome browser here. Now this is installing, sorry, downloading. So this file installed, so click to open file. So then yes, now installing the installation process. This is start. Now this updating and the installation process is working. So this process is within a 2 to 3 minute installation process, and depend your system configurations and your hardware, and depend also your internet. So please wait few minutes and then install. This is successfully installed, and now I'm clicking and already automatically open. This is too many time open, so again opening. So guys, finally install Chrome browser. So thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to like this video. Bye bye.